Welcome. Today, we're diving into an easy way to check the file size in Dropbox before you download it. This simple trick helps you manage your storage better and avoid unnecessary downloads that might eat up your data or space. Let's walk through the updated steps to quickly see how big any file is, right in the Dropbox app or on the web. First, open your Dropbox app or head to the Dropbox website and sign in if you haven't already. Once inside, navigate to the folder where your file is stored. Whether it's a document, video, or image, finding the right file is the crucial first step. Next, when you spot the file you're interested in, look for the three dots icon. Those vertical dots are key. Tap or click on these three dots located next to the file name, and a Details menu will pop up. This menu contains various useful options including sharing, moving, or deleting the file. But the feature we're after today is the file size. Right at the top of this Details menu, just beneath the file name, Dropbox now displays the file size clearly. This makes it super convenient to see how much space the download will require before you hit that download button. No need to guess or open the file first. It's all in plain sight. This little update from Dropbox is a game changer for anyone who needs to keep an eye on their quota or wants to avoid surprise downloads that slow down your device or network. Whether you're using a phone, tablet, or desktop, these steps are consistent and easy to follow. So, remember, open Dropbox, find your file, tap the three dots, and look for the file size right at the top of the Details panel. That's it. Now you can download smarter, saving time and space. Give this a try next time you're managing your files on Dropbox, and you'll never be caught off guard by a large download again. Thanks for watching.